Let's go. Let's go. Huge has been huging. Huging. Music. Oh, wow, they deleted the damn song. Damn it. That was a good song too. Was that a different playlist? Oh, it was a different playlist. Hmm. Okay, glasses. Hey guys. Hello, hello, hello. Happy Friday. And Thrust WZ. Good morning, Lizzie. Tesh. Go get some breakfast before you get hungry, please. At least 100% on the day for MGOL. I mean, it's up 50 now. So you're going to need a break above 610 if you want to get 100%. Chris, good morning. Doche, good morning. Keep cooking, please. One baby step at a time. Keep doing it. And Jay, good morning. Virus, good morning. Trey, good morning. Hey, Kobe, good morning. Good afternoon for you. Okay. Gloria, good morning. Jay, good morning. Jericho, good morning. Hi, guys. Hello. Hello. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. And then, so MGOL seems to have a bit of a retest zone around this price. So 550, right below 560 for MGOL. It's going to need to stay above that if it wants to give us some violence, hopefully. Anyways, really good play on that one. Huge has been another really good one, guys. Right? So, what a beauty this one is 140%. And you know what? Good morning. 140%. What a beauty, right? Let's go, WZ. I'm telling you, like the people don't know. The people do not know. Good morning, Laura. Best Discord hands down. Never slow. I'm telling you, the people don't know. For those of you guys that are not in Discord, you don't know. You just don't know. Don't know what you're missing out on. And we're only getting started. Only getting started. You don't know. Anyways, so Raven posted this last night, right? And that thing had a really nice pop in pre-market, but then it came down and gave opportunities. And then this was the real run. This was the real run, right? Nancy Pelosi, the real run. Again, I think what Raven is looking at, which is what most what you're supposed to be looking at, is if something looks fire in after hours, like this is after hours for that stock. This little blue section is after hours. When something is giving you some nice vibes in after hours, you want to watch that closely, right? Like when it's giving you nice vibes, it's done nothing all day. I mean, it kind of creeped up all day, but then that volume really came in like the late part of like after hours, and it just took off. As soon as pre-market opened, it just took off, right? So again, 140% on that run. So it looks like now we kind of stalled. Once we got to the second time, like right below 21 cents. So we're gonna need to go back up and break above that level. This to me is a retest, which is okay, right? Usually when you break above resistance like this, if you can kind of see that double top at 18, whatever, when you have that breakout, there's always a retest, always, 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 unless the stock just has too much volume and a good catalyst. PJ, good morning. New solutions. We buy is moving. Okay. We buy. Does We Buy have news? I feel like I'm missing a whole bunch of stuff since I'm still kind of getting started on stream. We buy. We buy. You buy. We all buy. There goes We Buy. It's all penny stocks today, isn't it? There it goes. We Buy is like, you want to buy me? Yeah, that's a nice pop. Let me get my other stuff set up here so I'm not missing everything. Yeah, We Buy has been. Yep, exactly. Exactly, Raven. Yeah, there wasn't a catalyst on this. No news. Um, interesting. Okay. There wasn't a catalyst. 907. Let me take a look. I just want to see when that came out. Interesting. Okay. Some stuff to fix. Uh, Good morning, Raven. Make those huge gains, please. What a legend call, Raven. What a legend call. Really good run, especially on the break of the wedge. So again, a nice little dipski there, right? Double bottom consolidation, and then when we broke above that wedge right there, oof, that thing had a really good run to brand new highs. So let's see if we can consolidate and go from there at some point. Alrighty. We're kind of testing a bit of an uptrend here, so let's see what happens with that too. Good morning, Jimmy. Pablo, good morning. Reverse split. Haven't looked into. Yeah, I haven't looked at that stock in a long time now too. As we buy dipping, yeah, kind of. Kind. I think we had data this morning. La 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 la. Yeah. Okay. MGOL with a bit of a sell off there. So, but it is holding above that 560 ish MGOL. So, nice little pop to 590. But obviously, anytime you get really close to $6 for MGOL, it's getting rejected hard. So we shall see what the market does with that. Bitcoin had a really good run overnight. A really good run. When I say a really good run, I mean a really good run. It's given away some of those profits though. It's just because again that was an aggressive run, but yeah, hopefully we can stay above 60 and then push it over the weekend. By Monday, let's be at 70, right? Right. KITT. Yeah, it's kind of it's trying to rebound off a demand zone. So you have a triple bottom closer to like 268 ish. It's trying to hold it. Trying to for today. They expired today, John. Oh, you just have them like okay. Hey yo, Josh, Jasmine, hello. Only if you are in Discord, Jasmine. Only if you are in Discord. Only if you're loading now. Yeah, hopefully. Let me take a look at. Hmm. La 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 la. I know. I took my monies out, John. I was like, ooh, I got my dividend on BITO. Take the monies out. The whole plan was to compound it. You get a dividend, right? You get a dividend, you buy more BITO shares. I was like, nope, nope, nope. Take the monies out, please. I bought too many dips lately, so the money needs to go to my checking account. I have bills to pay. Unbelievable. I took that monies out as soon as I saw it. VHI is now popping too, so it looks like a penny stock day kind of. VHAI. This is another Raven favorite stock. Nice bounce up to demand zone. Nice little pop. I have kids to feed, John. Unbelievable. Other commitments, please. Can we cook something today? We want to see 1,000% runner. Well, I don't know if we're gonna get 1,000% run today, but that would be nice. That would be nice. Usually, when you get 1,000% run by the market open, that thing's already up 300%, and then it just doesn't stop. It just keeps going, right? So huge is the top gated this morning. Again, if you are in Discord, this thing was posted last night, right? In the 13-15 cent range, or 15 cents, a little bit higher range, right? So a nice little push this morning to below 21, right? So again, if you're not a member, you're missing out, right? So this was posted in Trade Ideas last night. So well done, Raven. Kimbella, Ayo. Welcome back, Josh. So let's see if we can find a way to consolidate and curl into the open. We have 15 minutes left, guys, before the market opens. And again, so here's the list of pre-market gainers, a few names to be looking at into the open. So huge is one to pay attention to. And then MGOL, of course, we buy is kind of creeping up now too. But you can kind of tell that it's, for the most part, there on this list, there's more penny stocks than anything else running right now. So yeah, M goal again needs to get back above that $6 range if it wants to keep going. So it is holding a bit of a base, like I said, right around 560. So let's see if we can stay above that. And as soon as I say that, it says, yeah, no thanks, right below to the VWAP, right? So let's see what happens, right? And go from there. But really, if that thing wants to move, it's going to need to clear that $6 range. Yeah, there goes VHAI. So still sitting at the highs there, Raven. There it goes, 30% for VHAI. Yeah, the spread on some of these penny stocks is quite scary though, so be careful, please. Be careful. I know. Whenever Raven says he's going on a camping trip, guys, pay attention. Because he's not going alone. He's not going alone. Somebody's going with him. And like Virus said, it might just be Nancy Pelosi. It might be. It might be. uh yep. Yes, please. So yeah, let's see if we can stay above the view out there, and yeah. CDT is another one that I haven't really looked at, but did really well in the early session. Let me pull up CDT here. I like when we go into the open, and if someone said, "Hey, like, what's your favorite name?" or like, "What name do you think goes boom at the open?" I'm like, "Yep, this one." But right now, there's a whole bunch of names that could potentially do that, right? CDT with a nice double bottom bounce off the 200 EMA. Always a good thing when you bounce off the 200s. Huge still looks okay, right? Still trending up. So even though it's in a bit of a weird spot, it's going to need to bounce here like immediately. MGOL again testing the VWAP. The market hasn't opened. It's still above the 200, so there's always going to be a chance. WeBuy is curling back up as well, So if that thing can break above 2150, then new high. And I just glitched a little bit. Unbelievable. Little tiny glitch. Why is everybody's connection been like rubbish lately? Rubbish lately. Yeah. So there you go. Right? Nice little curl there for we buy. We buy, you buy, we all buy for the biscuits. There goes 21 almost. There's 21. There's 21. So M gold does not look bad at all. There goes a double top for M gold. Not M gold, we buy. We buy, you buy, we all buy the biscuits. Okay. So again, potential double top skies at 2150, so just be careful out there. But that's a really good curl though. Really good curl. Yeah, let me get ready here. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, as we get closer to the open, please and thank you. Alrighty. Uh, don't forget to hit the like. And there we go. Doo-doo. Hit the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the community. And if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. In Discord, Pablo has filed for bankruptcy. Ah. Oh my days. MMT filed for bankruptcy. Oh my goodness. Natalia, good morning. Oh my goodness. Earnings sometime today or next week. I have no idea when they have earnings. Take a look at their SEC filings on the website, Jess. I have no idea. So there goes your double top, guys, for WeBuy, right? You should not be buying a stock at a double top anyways. VHAI was the other one. That thing is slowly creeping. That's 37% now. Um, um, Ravens. So yeah, that being said, thanks guys. Thanks. Ooh, that's a really nice curl too. Really nice curl. So really good run. Oh my goodness. Again, this is why we keep saying like you cannot listen to anybody. You cannot listen to anybody, guys. You have to make your own decisions. You have to make your own decisions. If somebody tells you that a stock is going to, if a stock is going to squeeze, the shorts are going to cover, and then you look at the stock and it's going down, pack your bags and move on. Hopefully by now, though, we've learned lessons, right? Hopefully by now, we've learned lessons. Hopefully by now. There's MMAT, MMTLP, there's AMC, there's GME. The list goes on and on and on and on and on, right? So, yeah, don't ever listen to some random person on YouTube tell you that, oh, this stock is gonna squeeze, because I promise you, they don't work for the shorts, and if they don't work for the shorts, don't listen to them, and the shorts would never tell you anything that that they're gonna do. Trust me, bro, Raven. Trust me, bro. The YouTube people, the Twitter people, the stock twits people, the social media people. Trust me, bro. Unbelievable. And now they're filing bankruptcy. Eesh, nasty. Anyways, and I think they've also done a split, right? So they did a split at some point. Like, look at that, all-time lows. Oh yeah, there is the split, right? Garbage. I mean, without a split, it technically sitting at the double bottom. So maybe it's a double bottom, Pablo. $1.90 double bottom. I'm YouTube people. That's what I'm saying. If I ever tell you like, hey, go buy the stock because it's gonna squeeze, the shorts have to cover, blah 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 blah. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. I don't want you to ever listen to me without having your own opinion. You know? Don't listen to anybody. Dan, ayo, good morning. Right? You have to take responsibility of your own monies. Right? It's your monies. You have to take care of it. So VHAI is dipping a little bit there. WeBuy is retesting that double top. It almost feels like it's a matter of time before this thing breaks above 2150 at this point. And there it goes. New highs of the day for WeBuy. WeBuy, that thing needs to close above the breakout though. It's gonna need to close above that resistance there. Because it's breaking above it, it's not really closing above it yet. So there's another candle that peaks above but doesn't break out. Nasdaq is going to that have been scamming for a long time. Yeah, delist them, please, because all that's doing is just hurting people. Honestly, right? All these companies that want to do splits after split after split, it's only hurting people. So there goes a potential breakout that isn't a breakout. Just in two options expire today. Oh wow! So there's going to be a lot of games being played there. Then crazy, 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 and huge is slowly bouncing back up. So that's good. 6 minutes to go, guys. What's your favorite name into the open? What's your favorite stonk into the open? Would you take a look at KITT? Yes, of course. KITT. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah. Look at this thing, right? So the first thing I see that I don't like already is when it goes up, it fails at the 200. When it goes up, it fails at the 200. When it goes up, it fails at the 200. What's your position? Laura, what are you looking for? Are you in it? Are you looking for an entry? What are you looking for? Let me know. When stuff is very confusing like this, honestly, it's better to wait till the market opens and then go from there. So your next resistance for huge is 940, 950. Yeah, it does, doesn't it, Dan? Seems like today there's a lot of stuff expiring today, so a lot of stuff expiring today. LOBO. Sounds like a suspicious name. Yeah, Laura, let me know. Let me know what you're looking for, right? Like, are you looking for an entry? Are you in this already? Let me know, and then I'll take a closer look. For now, though, I don't see anything that I really like on this, other than the fact that we might be able to hold above like 250, 260. And if it can stay above that level, then okay, right? So, yeah, you need to see a bit of consolidation in this range if you're interested, or if you're in it, well, it needs to stay above that range. Alrighty. LOBO. Lobo. Eh. It's a one candle pop. Uh, it didn't go through. I didn't know. Doesn't sell market price. Oh no, yeah, you have to cancel. So again, you should have rectified that really quickly, though, right? So what you do is like, if it doesn't, again, you did a market order, which I do sometimes. Like sometimes I'm not paying attention, right? I'm trying to sell something pre-market or buy something pre-market. I'm not really paying attention, and then I put in the limits. Well, again, I put in the like a few mistakes, right? I either just put in the market and it doesn't execute. I'm like, oh, that's been 5 seconds. How come it's not going through? Oh, okay. Just cancel and fix it, right? Cancel and fix it immediately. Or I realize that, oh, I put a limit, but then I didn't select like extended hours, and it's not going through. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. Cancel, fix it, right? Really quickly. Don't just keep it, because then you kept it and it just kept going down, 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 right? So you should have checked really quickly. If it's not working immediately, check it really quickly and fix it right away. Because I know you've been asking, and then you've been holding it the entire time, and it's just kept going lower, right? And now there's you just needed to stay above support at this point. We buy still with the double top, guys. One of these names is gonna pop at the open because it usually does, right? Huge still looks okay. We buy looks okay. MGOL looks like it's staying above the 200 for now. VHI came back to retest the 50, that 5 cent level. CDT looks okay, bouncing up the 200. So there's really nothing that stands out, but there's a whole bunch of stuff that could pop at the open. So at this point, we just wait. Yeah, Laura, no, don't worry. Like we all make that mistake all the time. You just have to, again, when you notice that, don't wait 5 minutes, don't wait 10 minutes, don't wait 2 minutes, don't even wait a minute, right? Cancel it immediately and fix it immediately, and then you're good to go. Yeah. So cancel and fix it right away. Because it's usually your order is usually not going through because your limit is too high or you don't have it set up properly. If you really want to exit something, like, so this is what I do in pre-market, and I think I've talked about this already, and we can talk about it tomorrow in the group class, guys. Again, I've said, like, if you have questions, like regular questions that you're struggling with, we're going to talk about psychology tomorrow. We're going to talk about alerts. We're going to talk about a whole bunch of things tomorrow in a group class. So make sure you join us tomorrow. I'm not sure what time yet. I'll post it tonight. But again, group class in the Legend Voice channel, it's for legends and goats only. So if you're not a legend or goats, but we're going to talk about, like just everything, right? Q&A as well. But so here's what I do in pre-market. So let's say I buy a stock at $2, right? Let's say I buy a stock at $2, and the stock is now sitting at $3, and I want to sell that position, right? My limit will never go to $3. I don't care that the stock is at $3. I don't give a damn that it's at $3. You know what my limit is going to be at? $2. Why? Because I want to get out, right? I do that all the time in pre-market. Let me go back because the market just opened, right? So again, if let's say I buy a stock at $2 and I have a mental stop loss at $1.80, guess what my stop loss, my limit sell is going to be, right? My limit sell is going to be at $1. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense because there's more details. So what I do is I put a limit sell for $1, even though the stock is at $2 and my mental stop loss is $1.90, $1.80. I put a limit order for $1, but I don't actually send it. I just have it hovering. My fingers on the button, ready to execute. And sometimes I leave my limit sell for $1. The stock goes up to $2 to $3. I still leave it at $1, and I have my finger on the sell. When I'm ready to sell, I hit it. So then when I hit sell, it sells my position. So I'm not sitting there like, oh, but how come I wanted to get like $4, but it's at 3.90 and I'm waiting for it to come back up. No, I want out. Because when these things crash in pre-market, you're screwed. Pre-market is not your friend if you hesitate. Let's go, Jill. Good, good, good. So there goes a bit of a sell-off, a huge off resistance there of the supply zone at 19-ish, right? MGOL is popping at the open, which is nice, right? So again, as long as these things are staying above the 200, you never count them out. We buy with a bit of a sell-off from resistance as well. And this one is dipping as well. So everything just kind of seems, give it a second at the open, please, right? If you're not sure in terms of what to do, just give it a second at the open. We M goal is kind of cooking though. So again, there's a lot of resistance when we get close to $6. But that thing said, thanks guys. I'm just gonna go there and catch you there. There it goes. Right. So still really early that if you're not in a position, make sure that you give it a second because you will have a sell off at some point, especially just knowing that we have a lot of supply in this range. There will be a sell off for M goal at some point. And then what you want to see for this stock now is just higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Right. So really good pop though. Really good pop. Right. So we never count anything out as long as the market isn't open yet and we are sitting above the 200s. Because as soon as the market opens, crazy things happen, right? So really good pop. So congratulations if you're holding this one. Yeah. So yeah, you have to make sure that again, you have to make sure that you select extended hours and your limit is below the current price and the bid of the actual stock, right? We can talk about this a bit more tomorrow because there's a more So if you have any more questions about like selling pre-market or buying pre-market and after hours, write those questions and DM them to me, and then I'll make sure that they're answered tomorrow. So technically, what this is, guys, for M goal is a double top. Right, so technically this is a double top. If you look to the left hand side, that's $6.10. Even though we broke above it, it never really closed above that level. So M goal looks okay. We just need a higher low or a break above resistance, and then go from there. Jameson, yes, please. So there goes a bit of a dip ski. Right, huge is selling off, guys. We've talked about this every single day almost, that the name that's at the very top of the list, the top gainer every single morning, has a curse. Every single morning it seems like the name that's at the top ends up selling off and being the worst stock in the market, but you always have to give it a few minutes, right? This is the first sell off, so we're potentially selling off to test the 200 EMA here at 16 pennies, right? So let's see if we can stay above 16 cents. If we can, then that's fine. Alrighty, so again, it says 16 cents, consolidate at 16 cents ish, and then curl back up. So 16 to 15.50 for huge, and if it can stay above that level, that's fine. But we buy is still dipping as well, so again, wait for that curl, and M goal is still kind of playing games here, but it looks okay. Right? Kind of looks like the MGOL looks like the the best name at the open, doesn't it? Everything is getting slapped. Even MGOL is still sitting at resistance, and there goes the sell-off, right? So again, there's always a sell-off on all of these names at the open. Whether it sells off immediately or after the pop, it's gonna sell off. So you don't want to be buying that thing when it's in the supply zone anyways at resistance, right? So let's see if we can get a higher low in MGOL here. A higher low, a high hello. John says no. John, again, there's resistance right there, right? So if you're going to take profits, that's a pretty good spot to be taking profits, right? Always a really good spot. So unless you're in at a really good price, that you're still okay because that thing is still above the 200 and it's still above the level that we sold off to in the morning. So that's fine. So MGOL is doing exactly what you kind of want it to do, right? So hit resistance, but then give you a higher low and then go back up is what you're hoping for. Huge is doing exactly what you want it to do as well, right? So again, market open top gainer, retest the 200, the demand zone, and then try and curl. So it's going to need to get back above the 9 EMA here. MGOL is like, excuse me, guys, excuse me. I want to go down to 550. That's a pretty nasty sell off, though, isn't it? Right? But it's also selling off a double top. If you're buying this thing at $6, you're just asking for problems. When you see that thing crash from $6 all the way down to 540, well, it can do it again. So for now, you're hoping that we can at least stay above and get a higher low and then push back to $6 and become like that thing said, oh yeah, you want $6? How about I give you 580 first? That's a nice bounce. Huge again is still looking okay. And if we break below 1550, then we can basically throw huge in the garbage. Throw it in the garbage. There goes a tiny green candle there for MGOL. Well, red. I'm holding to at least $10. Your friend, you're in at $5.30. Okay, yeah, you're green in your position. So what's your stop loss at, John? What's your stop loss at? Do you have one? Do you not have one? I hope you have one. Kimbella, I see a message. I don't know what time the class is tomorrow yet. I need to confirm with Rob. And then I'll, like I said, I'll post it in Trade Ideas tonight. Trade Ideas. So take a look at Trade Ideas tonight. I'll post the time for the class tomorrow. Come on, give us $6. This is why pre-market has been so much fun, Libby. you know. Anyways, we're back to the 590s, guys. So again, kind of exactly what you want to see. Just give us a higher low and then get back above $6 and then give us a breakout. And then we have something. We have something. Huge is still looking okay though. Right, we're staying above the 200 for now. So as long as we stay above 16 to 1550, that's fine. Alrighty. Skin with a bit of a pop. Interesting. But as a reminder, right, whenever you see these red zones on my screen, there's a problem. Anytime we get to a red zone, right, there's a problem for that specific stock you're looking at. So obviously MGOL has a lot of red up there. So it's having a hard time actually breaking out. Look at the daily. Why? What's your question? Massive days. Yeah, no, I don't particularly. I get that, but for now, we need to break above $6. Once we break above $6, then I'll take a look. If it's not breaking $6, the massive days don't matter. Right, we're back to the bottom again. Oh my God, look at that thing get destroyed to the abyss. Right, so here goes the 530 test. Right, you know what you could have done? John, you could have sold that thing at resistance because obviously it's resistance, and then you could have bought back in at the same price. Except now, instead of you like losing all your gains, you have a huge cushion, and that thing could go lower, and you'd still be okay, right? So that's a retest of the 200 EMA on the 1 minute at $5.30. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah. Yeah. No, absolutely. Absolutely. Again, stay above the 200 there and it's still okay. Alrighty. Because MGOL kind of seems like it's the only stock that could give us something this morning because everything else looks very sus. Everything else kind of looks, sus. So I would like for MGOL to hold above the 200 and go back up. But if it doesn't, then it doesn't. Then it doesn't. Let's go, Pyro. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. PSNY. And then BLND. Interesting. BLND. So it is holding that 530 for now. For now. No signs of really curling yet, but it's holding up for now. So that's good. That is good. What are the markets doing today? Spy says, we're not going to stay right forever. And then Bitcoin said, ooh, let me give away those gains, please. Because gap ups are for selling. Uh, there we go. So $5.30 is holding there for now. MRIN. Yeah, MRIN was frustrating last night, wasn't it? Really frustrating. Really, really frustrating. It's yeah. That thing is yeah. I mean, the good thing is that it's staying above $2 and trying to curl above. Maybe it can finally give us a run today, but that thing was really frustrating yesterday. There's just way too much resistance at the very end though. It did end up pushing to like 260, right? So at the very very end. So not a bad spot to be taking profits at, anyways, if it's stalling, right? Nikolai, it was. It was. But it gave us opportunities. It gave you opportunities to sell at resistance multiple times. And again, at the very, very end of the day, it went to 260 when pre-market was closing. So that's not too horrible. It looks like we are holding the bottoms here for huge guys. So that again, that 16 to 1550 is holding, and we're back to 1750, right? That line at the very bottom there. So as long as we're closing above that level, there's still a chance for huge, right? Like I said, I don't really count anything out until we sell off, and then we get a bit of a bounce. And if we come back and break below that level, then it's officially done. For now, nice bounce though. Ooh, look at that, 1850. That's a really nice bounce. Sheesh. Right. Look at that. Look at that level of the bottom. So again, that's the same level we had this morning for support, right? For that stock. Right. You look to the left hand side, there was a double bottom there for huge, right? 1550-ish, and then all the way to after the market opened, same support, and then boom skis. So really nice push. Really nice push. So again, even though we know there's a curse, we never really count it out until we get a nice little bounce, and then we break below that bottom, and then it's officially done. What's up with CDT? Not a whole lot. You have support at 1860-ish, but other than that, there's not a whole lot happening. MGOL looks like absolute rubbish now, doesn't it? Yup, there it goes. This is why sometimes when a stock is hitting resistance, even though you have expectations, right? You're like, you know what? I would really like to see $10. Even if you have expectations, sometimes it's best to sell at resistance and buy back cheaper, or just buy back when it breaks above resistance. Let's go. Did you hear, Jeff? I took my dividend and I said, "Yup, I have bills to pay. I need the monies, please. I've been buying too many dipskis. Give my damn monies." Yeah. So I took the monies out. Let's go. Yeah. There goes new lows of the day for MGOL, guys. New lows of the day. It is like if you have a nice position, like it is a pretty nice, like it's a pretty nice dividend. I can't even imagine like CONY now, you know? It's like, if you compound that over a year and you keep adding to that position and Bitcoin keeps going like it's supposed to, that could be a really nice dividend. But I wanted the monies though. uh, Yeah, I wanted the monies. Mm, here you go. Can we stay above $5 for MGOL? Yeah, looks like it for now. Huge is being huge, guys. Huge is huging, huging. Huge is like you wanna count me out? Don't count me out, Hugie. Right. So again, we never keep, it's sitting at the double top now, so be careful. So 1950. But again, we never count these names out until we get the break below the bottoms, and then we can throw them in the garbage. Marine looks like it's hitting session highs, isn't it? Yeah. Be careful at $2.35 though. Be careful at $2.35. 1770. Let's go, Doja. Let's go. Let's go. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. I love when I love. When people trust the process, kind of, and they don't give up and they keep going, and then they see the monies. Love it, because the monies always comes. You don't give up, the money will come. You see mistakes, you fix mistakes. Right? You see them, you fix them. You say, okay, I made a mistake here. Okay, this isn't working. Let me change this. Those people always tend to do well. But if you focus on the negatives and you keep complaining and you're like, this isn't working, it's not working, but I'm not fixing anything, the market will continue to slap you and slap. And each time it's going to slap harder. Anyways, uh, uh, is it garbage for the day? No, I wouldn't say it's garbage, right? I wouldn't say it's garbage. But the fact that we're below the 200 and the 9 is something that I don't like, right? uh, no, Jeff is doing well. Jeff is doing well. He just got his dividend. I don't like that it's below the 200. That's the first thing doing. Again, all I'm saying is sometimes when the market gives you, when the market says, hey, this is resistance, listen, right? When you see to the left hand side that 610 is a problem and you get to 610 and it's struggling, take the monies and run, because that thing it's gonna take it all away from you. So for now, let's see if we can stay above $5 for MGOL. And if it can, then that's perfect. Right? So huge, your next resistance for huge is right below 21 cents. Right? I'm sure we could use 20 cents as a bit of resistance, but that's a really nice push. Right? So 20 cents and then 21. 21 kind of is the pre-market high. So again, sometimes when you see resistance, guys, take the money off the table and then come back when it breaks above or when it gives you a better price. Right? Don't sit there and ask for more. There goes huge. Huge is like, I'm huging. That's a really nice push. Really, really nice push. Again, right off the same level. Right? Look to the left hand side again. Look at that beautiful support, right? Support, double bottom, triple bottom, boom skis, new highs of the day, and that thing is pumping. Right? So again, shout out to Raven for bringing this one to our attention, guys. Right? Because that thing has been cooking. So again, shout out to Raven, because Raven cooked on this one, and a lot of you guys cooked on this one. So congratulations, well done, everybody. That's teamwork. That's what teamwork is like. You see something, you share something, everybody wins. High five, everybody. River, good morning. Right. So there goes the third time we're testing this 21. So that candle never closed above 21, and we're dipping again. So congratulations. If you made monies on this thing, type in yes in the chat. If you made monies on huge, type in yes in the chat. Uh, yeah, before it ran pan. Yeah. But again, look at the level you're getting stopped out at though, right? So if you're setting your stop loss at support, you're asking for trouble, right, Pan? Again, if you're setting your stop loss at a level that has been bouncing at before, you're better off just waiting for that thing to get there, and then you can look for position. It is frustrating though. It's always going to be frustrating when that happens. Always. Raven was sleeping in, guys. He gave the vibes and then he went to bed. He went to bed. Let's go, Lion. So again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out big time, right? So for a member to call out a play that went up 140% overnight is impressive. So if you're not a part of a community, well, our community, you're kind of slacking out. So again, if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Make sure you smash the like, hit that subscribe. Yes, hit the link at the bottom there from Nightbot. Become a member. Come join us in Discord. Stop missing out on the gains. MGOL is still playing with $5 and still failing at the 200 EMA, so it needs to get back above. Ayo, Michelle, hello, hello. We need to get back above the 200 EMA there. Alrighty, cool. We buy, nobody's buying it, but for now it's holding the 200. So maybe somebody's gonna buy off 15 cents to 14.50. So again, the 200 EMA has become a really nice level to look at always, right? I know people that always take gambles at the 200, always, especially the second candle, right? You never buy the first candle of the 200 because, I mean, sometimes you can if it's a massive sell off, but we see a lot of bouncing off the 200, right? Some people like to bounce off the 200. They see 200, they bounce. Virus, be quiet. Uh, let's go, Pyro. I used that strategy. Took my crypto account from 10 to nearly 20 in a little. Oh my goodness! Buy at support, sell at resistance. Thanks, hot trades. Teamwork, Pyro. Teamwork, right? Teamwork. And again, there's so many strategies in the market. You know, this one will work for you. This one will not work for you, and it's our job to keep playing with them and seeing which one works. You know, so well done, Pyro. 20? Oh my goodness. From 10 to 20 pyro? Sheesh. Big monies. Big monies. Again, look at this, guys. That's exactly what Pyro is talking about, right? Sometimes you want to keep it as simple as possible. Let me zoom out here, right? When I look at this thing, where do you see support? Where do we see support, guys? Right? I'm going to get rid of this here. So we see support right there, right? Support, support. Sometimes keep it simple. You buy at support. Where's resistance at the very top? Right, the last two fail levels, resistance, resistance, resistance. Sometimes you just get in and you get out, you get in and you get out, right? So for now, what you want to see here now is a bit of it, like for that thing to stay above 18 cents and then get back about 21, and then it's going to push more if it breaks about 21. And MGOL is still fighting, guys, still fighting the good fights, fighting to stay above $5, fighting to stay alive. Can I borrow some cash? Exactly, Pyro. Pyro, are you lending monies out? MRIN looks like it failed that resistance. Surprise! $2.35. $2.35. MGOL is fighting. Like, let me stay alive, please. Yes, MGOL, stay alive. Stay alive. So as long as MGOL stays above $5, there's a chance that it goes back up, right? Hopefully. And there goes the fight. Uh, yeah, exactly, Nemo. Exactly. Exactly. Like I say this all the time. If you're consistently looking for like, you know, for little scalpies, right? You're looking for consistency, you're looking for scalps, you're going to do really well, right? If you're looking for home runs, right, you know the rest. You know the rest. Anyway, so yeah, let's see if that thing can break about $5.40 M goal. Alrighty, huge is holding the nine for now it seems, and get back about 21. Huge, be huge, please. Be huge. Be huge. Exactly. Trade the chart, not your heart and your expectations. Expectations will lead you to the bridge. You know, expectations are the isn't there an expression where like it says expectations are like the something something of disappointment or something, unhappiness, I don't know, something, somebody finish it. Let's go, Michelle, scalp it. Yeah, let's see if that thing can break about 21 and stay above it. Right, so again, huge looks okay, obviously it looks good, and then MGO looks okay, right? MGO looks okay. It's trying. It's really really trying. So there goes the break above 540. Obviously, there's a lot of resistance, right? When you go below the 200, that means you're below everything else. So on the way up, it's gonna have a lot of problems. So again, just make sure that it stays above $5, and you are a okay. Ready? $5. Other than that, though, I don't really see anything else that we are missing. I don't think we're missing anything. Let's go, virus. Let's go. Let's go. It's one scalp at a time. One scalp at a time. La, 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 la. There you go. La, 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 la. There you go. La, 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 la. Oh, there he is. Expectations. Expectation is the root of all heartache. I like it. I like it. I like it. That thing said, excuse me. Again, this thing is gonna have a lot of problems, right? When you go below the 200 on the way back up, it's a lot of problems. So, anyways, PJ, let's go. PJ is finally here, guys. Finally here, PJ. Finally, PJ is a legend. PJ, welcome to the community. Welcome, welcome, welcome. There's an invite link for you under the members only section on YouTube. So just click on that link. It's going to bring you straight to Discord. Alrighty, welcome. Uh, Above your trading station, exactly, Nemo. Exactly, exactly. Again, if you have a daily goal, you are PJ. Thank you. Welcome. So again, yeah, there's a link. There's an invite link on the members only section. Click the link. It's going to take you straight to Discord, and then just follow the steps in the getting started, and it's going to open up all the channels for you. Welcome. So that thing clearly sold off, and then Huge is also kind of struggling with that 21, right? So it's going to need to break out. We need something to break out. Yeah, BLND. Yeah, it has been. It has been. Jameson, what is that? Oh yeah, nice. Send it, send it, send it, send it, send it. Lumin and Marine. Yeah, Marine is actually, Marine came all the way back up, guys. Wow. Not bad. Good curl, though. Good curl. Good curl. Actually, a really good curl. So if you're a GOAT member, type in yes in the chat. MMAT is halted up. Wow, crazy. So Dojo, type in yes in the chat, and then Israel braces for biggest test of air defense from Iran. These dudes really need to chill out. They really, really need to chill out. Okay, so let me do some circles, okay? Just for the gold members, and then tell me if you see it, okay? Tell me if you see it. Alrighty? Tell me if you see it, okay? So, do you see it? Do you see it? And do you see it? Let me know. Just type in yes if you do. Do you see it? Yes. 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 You do. Perfect. Good. Right? You see it? Good. Perfect. Nitro, yes? Perfect. Good. So again, easy monies, right? Let's go. So there goes 250 for resistance on Marine, right? Really good push, right? Really, really good push. And there goes new highs of the day for Marine. Marine is cooking. That thing is cooking, right? So we don't have to buy these stupid stocks on the way up, right? Don't have to FOMO on the way up, right? There's going to be opportunities. And then boom skis, right? Look at that thing cook, Marine. Woo. Again, just keep in mind that there's resistance at 255 to 260. That's the level we were pissed at last night, right? When we were doing that call, this damn thing could not break above 255 to 260. It just couldn't do it. Exactly. So we're back again. The good thing is it keeps coming back. But the bad thing is they just can't seem to break out. Like it just can't seem to break above 255, 260. Maybe it's gonna do now that the market is open and it has more volume, maybe. But who knows? MGOL is back to $5, guys. So meh, right? Marine is looking a-okay though. It's just that resistance. Alrighty, there you go. Let's go. Let's go. So when I say you when I say like when you become a gold member, and you can learn and you're gonna use that knowledge to make money forever on any stock. I'm not kidding, right? So your gold membership will pay for itself if you can learn over and over and over and over again, right? And over and over, right? So when you learn how to fish, you can go fishing on your own on every damn stock, and you never have to listen to me yap again, you know. So for those of you guys that are like, I don't know when to get into stocks, I don't know when in, and you're losing monies, I will slap you. Alrighty. So yeah. So maybe we're finally gonna break about 260 this time, guys. Maybe, maybe, maybe. Maybe this is it. $2 and oh, there it is, guys, for the first time. Oh my goodness. For the first time. Why couldn't we do this last night? We watched this thing for like an hour. Like, come on, breakout. Come on, breakout. Come on, breakout. Nope. It hasn't closed above 260 yet though, so that's the only other obstacle. So still below 260 technically. Have a great weekend, Giovanni. Have a wonderful weekend. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Alrighty? Cool. Yeah. Yeah. I know, virus. Let's see. What else is happening today? I feel like the market's going to be up and down today just because we have a whole bunch of stuff expiring. It's going to be one of those like up and down days, you know? Hmm. Interesting. I know you do. So that 260 still seems like it's a problem, right? So even though we broke about 260, it doesn't really count. Like it doesn't count as a breakout to me. Maybe it does to other people. I don't really care though. If the stock doesn't close above the level that it's supposed to close above, I don't count that as a breakout. So that thing needs to stay above 260 at some point if it wants to, actually push higher. Push higher. Alrighty. MGOL is still kind of consolidating at your next demand zone. Obviously, that thing looks weak now. When you break below that 200 EMA, you're asking for trouble, right? So watch 490 now as your next level of support. The good thing about huge is that huge is actually staying above that next breakout level, that next support level, which is around like 1840. So it just needs to get back about 21. Huge. And if it can, then it's time to send it. Time to push higher, huge. If it can break out. Yeah. No, it's been a good week though. It's been a comeback week. So virus. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with relaxing a bit today and not ruining the week. There you go. There goes. We're back to 20 cents on this one here. Back to 20 cents. There you go. Come on, give us a break about 21 already. Give us a breakout. It's killing you. No, you're killing your week financially. You can never blame a stock for your mistakes. You can never blame your stock for stock for your mistakes, because this stock will send you the signs, right? Again, clearly, easy money. Sell at resistance, or put a stop loss, right? When the stock goes to the abyss, you cannot blame the stock. Anytime you lose money, it's your own damn fault. But anyways, let's go. Huge is testing the highs of the day again here. So huge is trying. Huge wants to be huge, guys. Huge wants to be huge. Yeah, Lumen has done well today on the comeback. Trading view. I like it, Raven. The only annoying part is, for some reason, we cannot close above 21 for huge. For some reason, it doesn't want to close above. So Lumen, which Jameson is loving today. There goes. Jameson, well done. Well done, well done, well done, well done, well done. Again, if you are a GOATS member and you see it, type in yes in the chat. The goats, the goats, the goats. If you are a GOATS member and you see the entry on this, type in yes in the chat. Even if you didn't take it on Lumen, just saying, right? So again, if you're a GOAT member and you see the entry on the stock, easy monies on the stock, type in yes in the chat. You see it, Kimbella? Of course, love it. If you see it, type in yes in the chat. If you don't see it, show up to the class tomorrow and I will slap you. uh, Virus? Exactly. 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 So, la la la. 560? 560 is all the way up there, Lena. That's not exactly an entry. It's way up there. I know you're joking. I was about to slap you, by the way. Huge is being huge, guys. Huge is huging. We are huging again. Oof. Huge says, let me hit you with the gold. Let me hit you with the gold. Huge is huging again. Huge is huging again, guys. Anyway, so 24 resistance for huge. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. There you go. So nice push on that one. Again, MGOL is holding the bottom of the demand zone and it's back to 520. So it's holding the next support, right? So that's good. Marine is playing games there for now, and back to huge. Huge, huge, huge. 155%, guys, on huge. Really good play. Really good stonk today, right? Really good stonk. So whenever we're hitting that supply zone, you want to be a bit more cautious, anyways. Alrighty. Yes. Yeah. So again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out, right? Again, Raven posted this last night and say, "Hey guys, watch huge. Huge is huge, right? And it's up 150%. So if you're not a member, you're missing out." Let's go, Laura. Let's go. Let's go. Again, Laura is someone that kind of came into the market when FFIE was pumping, and then she diamond handed, and then she was struggling for a little bit. But Laura has been a lot more consistent lately, right? So just being around the right group of people and seeing how they play and seeing how they look at stocks will change the way you play, right? Just the fact that you can join this community and everybody says, diamond hands, don't do it, right? That changes everything. And there goes a nice little pop again there for Marine. Straight to resistance again, right? So 260. Nice pop, right? Just being around the right group of people would change the way you trade. You know how they say, like, show me your five friends, show me your five friends, and then like I'm gonna show you. Again, you join the right community. You join the right community, and you're gonna cook. Just join the right community. Woof, the right people, woof, the right education, woof, you're set for life, right? The reason why people say like, oh, 80% of traders lose is because everybody is on like the on the social media and they're like chickens running around, right? Everybody's on Twitter, on YouTube, like running around like chickens, right? Following all the other people FOMOing into stonks, right? Guess what? You follow the wrong crowd, you will be entered, and then you're gonna be a part of like that stat. Let's go, Doche. So technically that's a double top there, guys. Even if you had like your breakout at 55 cents or like a little bit lower, that candle popped all the way up there, Nitro, but it never really closed above. Right? We popped all the way up, but we never really closed above anything, right? So even if your line was a little bit lower, we never closed. So we never closed above this range, we never closed above the top. And right back down. Alrighty. So Michael, what are you looking for? Like the GOAT's lifetime or like the Legend lifetime membership? Yeah. What are you looking for? Send me an email, Michael. Send me an email. Email at the top. So email right there. Hot X at Gmail. Send me again X at Gmail. Send me an email, and I'll send you a link. Yeah. Again, I promise you guys by the end of the year, the prices of like those memberships will not be the same. It won't change for the people that have them. Well, anyways, so those lifetime memberships. Anyways, yeah, send me an email and I'll send you a screenshot and then a link and whatnot. Uh, you slapped huge today. Let's go, love it. I love the change of tone. Doche again. You keep working at it and you fix your mistakes. Like Doche will send me 100 DMs a day. And again, even if I don't respond in time, I love it, right? I love when someone is struggling and they're like, help me, please, help me, help me, help me, help me, help me, right? I love it. We will never slack on someone that's asking for help. You can ask as many questions and you can see it seems like you're being annoying. I promise you you're not. But like you lose money and then you complain, I will slap you. I will look to enter. If you don't put in the effort and you lose monies, we're coming for you. Coming for you. Promise. Absolutely low chip, right? Just keep those losses small and you can see the light at the end of the tunnel, right? Keep working. Keep working. Just keep your losses small. Have a maximum loss and you're going to be fine. I can confirm I've been slapped before. Yeah, most people have been slapped in the chat. Because I know how much like we've all struggled. Like if you've been trading for a while, you've been in the community for a while, people like Josh, Virus, Dan, like we know how much you can struggle, right? We know how much you can struggle. So, but we've also put in a lot of effort, right? We've also looked for ways to work around and the right strategy. So, yeah. So, so we don't like people like struggling and slacking at the same time, right? Because we know it can be really hard. So, and it can be emotionally draining. So there goes huge, guys. Huge is huging. Woof. Again, if you made monies in huge or you're still in huge, type in yes in the chat. If you made monies in huge or you're still in huge, type in yes in the chat. Doge, that's again, like we explained last night, right? That's the bigger piece of the puzzle. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Natalia, let's go. Make those monies, please. Make those monies. Make those monies. Let's go. Let's go. Raven. Rule number 269. No sleeping, Raven. Rule number 269. No sleeping. You broke the rule, and the market said, okay, we go without you. We go without you. Okay, let me take a bit of a. Actually, let me send this inside. So Michael, I'm just gonna send you what I posted in Discord already for the lifetime membership and stuff. Already. Okay. Michael, I don't see your email yet, so yeah, send me an email. Noah, what's your question for Lumen? What's your question? What's your question? It kind of looks like a double topping at 570. What's your question? Yeah, 365 million for volume for huge. On average, over the last 30 days, the average volume has been 6 million. Today, it's been cooking. And it should be like it should have a lot of volume because it's a penny stock, right? When these penny stocks move, the volume seems crazy because I mean, people can buy 3 shares compared to another stock that they can only buy one. People can buy 10 shares compared to only buy one of another stock, right? So that makes a difference. It's huge. It's huge. Yeah. So let me know what your question is for Lumen. Emma, good morning. Ayo, ayo. Yeah, let me know what your question is. Raven the Pomo. Uh, okay, copy. There goes huge. Woo, we huge. Raven is gonna Pomo, guys. 180%, guys. 180%. 180%. 180%, 184%, 186%, 187%, 190%, 195%. Whoo! Huge, huge. Oh my days. Oh my days. Can we see 200%, guys? Again, this was posted last night in Discord by the GOAT Raven. Let's go, Raven. Rule number 269, Raven. No sleeping in. Let's go. My goodness. Huge. There goes 198%, guys. 201. Woo! 201. Josh. Oh my goodness. When we start getting close to 28 to 30 cents though, it's usually a problem. FOMO becomes a problem. No, Raven. uh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. Okay, let's see if that still works. Perfect. Yeah, so closer to 28 to 30 cents is usually when these things start to struggle, right? uh, that haven't gone yet. I'm telling you, when Raven says he's going camping, just know that he's not actually going camping. He's going to visit Nancy Pelosi or somebody. I don't know. Crazy. Please don't go to rehab. uh, and line it did, yeah. That little breakout there, that was a good breakout too, wasn't it? It's a good breakout. Like that's a very tiny candle, right? That's what you were looking for the break and close about 21. As soon as it closed about 21, people FOMO, right? Breakout, 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 boom skis. Gone. Gone skis. MGOL is still holding $5, guys. 490 to $5. It's back to 550 now. So not bad, right? So sometimes you just keep giving these things brand new support levels and they eventually. So again, your next resistance closer to 550, 545, 550 M goal, and huge is dipping a bit there. So maybe a retest of the 9 or maybe even the 20, and still looks okay. So or maybe a complete retest of the breakout. M goal just had a huge candle. Oh my goodness, damn, sheesh. What the hell? What the hell happened here? Oof. There's always people waiting to FOMO as soon as the stock breaks above the 200. Always people waiting to FOMO. It's a pretty big candle. You've been saved, doing. You've been saved. So maybe don't go back to the abyss. Maybe don't go back to the abyss. Maybe don't go back to the abyss, please. You're back in the green. There you go. You've been saved. So make sure you lock in those gains. Make sure you lock in those gains. Make sure you lock in those gains. Do, 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 do. Oh, that's too funny. Okay. It goes 560, and huge is dipping as it should. As it should. Uh, yeah, doing. If that thing goes below $4.90, you might as well pack your bags and start moving into the bridge. Josh. Yep. There goes 560. $5.60. There we go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Kimbella says, done for the day. Go Mets. I hope you all you guys make big monies. Let's go, it's Kimbella. Let's go. Come on. Kimbella is a lifetime member, by the way. So let's go. Let's go. Uh CM, let me take a look. Let me take a look. Let's take a look. For huge. Let's take a look. Let's take a look ski. I don't know if I changed it. It's 20. 20 CM. If yours doesn't have it, and then maybe just if you've done the latest update, you should have it. I know mine is a bit different, but same seems. Do we have another noir? uh, There goes huge with the tiny bouncy there of the 20 EMA and the chrono, which is perfect. Which is perfect. Uh, okay, sounds good. Yeah, there goes 26. Perfect. There goes. Oof! Huge says, "Hey guys, I still huge guys. I still huge. Is huge gonna pump all day, guys? Like, are we just gonna pump this stock all day? That's it? It's gonna go all day, isn't it? Oh my goodness, that's a double top again. So 28 to 30 cents is where we notice that most of these stocks fail at, right? Especially if they come from like the lower numbers. Um, yeah, so 28 to 30 cents. Right? You want to be careful around that. So 28 to 30 cents. Yeah, I think I keep repeating that. But so that's a problem. MGOL, oh my goodness. I hope you guys took your monies on MGOL, guys. I hope you took your monies. I hope you were like, oh, thank goodness. Thank God I've been saved. I hope you took your monies and ran because that thing came all the way back to $5. If you're holding a bag, if you're still holding a bag on this thing over the weekend, you need to like take all your clothes off and go to the streets with a sign and say, I was greedy, I was greedy. um please. So anyways, watch $5 to 490, please. There goes huge. Huge is back to 28, 29, 216%, guys. Whew. Huge is huge. Oh my days. Huge, huge. John says, MGO we hold. Can you imagine how many times you could have scalped that thing, John? How many times you could have taken monies from that thing? Can you imagine? And then you could have brought that money to huge and you could have made more monies? Can you imagine? Oh my days. But sometimes our expectations will keep us, in a box and say you shall not pass. You know? Uh I'm on a trading ban for another couple of weeks. John, get a cash account, please. Get a cash account. Switch over, please. So anywhere between like 28 to 30 cents, you want to be careful for huge, right? You want to be careful. It's pretty good. Let's go, Pyro. Let's go. Let's go. La, 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 la. Oh yeah, it's all about the compound game, Doche. It's all about the compound game. All about the compound game. Come on, huge. You can do it. You can break 30 cents. MGO looks like it's about to flush again, but it has some really good support off, anywhere between 5 and 490. Jeff, Unbelievable. So anywhere between 5 to 490 for MGOL. Hopefully it stays above that range. All the other stocks that we kind of looked at earlier, this one got slapped and it's finally trying to curl here now. Marine, right? Back to 245. This thing just keeps going up and down and up and down and up and down. So um, yeah, we buy. Yeah. Anyways, back to huge. Huge again obviously has resistance there, right? So 29 to 30. There's a supply zone up there now. So let's see what happens. Again, take profits on the way up, right? Set a stop loss, go from there. Uh, my Discord still won't let me message anyone. Uh, yeah, so send me the message, Jill, and then we'll fix it. Let's go, Michelle. Playing with free monies. Free monies, yeah, that thing has a lot of resistance. Anytime you get close to 30 cents, you want to be very careful. Very, very careful. Right? Anytime you get close to 30 cents, you want to be very careful. When that supply zone starts to show up like that, you want to be cautious. Yeah, so send me the DM. I don't know if you have to be friends. You shouldn't have to be. It's not letting you send him a message. It should. I don't think there's unless Rob was like, you guys are spamming my DM too much. So like, I just want to turn it, which he did not do. So um, yeah, not sure what's going on there. So with a name like this, all you have to, it's especially on a name that's had a really good run like this, what you have to pay attention to is that 20 EMA, the red line. So it needs to keep bouncing off the red line. Huge. Already. Shoot. There you go. Your Discord is glitching. Not sure why. What do you have on the Discord channel? Everything Noir. Everything. Come join us. Again, if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Right? So I'm not saying anything, but a member just called a play that went up 230%. So yep, your membership got paid for. Right? So again, if you want to join us in Discord, become a member, sign up for the legend level, sign up for the goat level, sign up for Discord community, come join us. Anything that says sold out is not available. It does not give you access to Discord. So alrighty, cool. Come on and send it. It's huge. There goes 29 again, guys. Ooh, new highs of the day for huge. Oh my days. Oh my days, huge. And another test of the supply zone, still holding the 20 EMA. Send it, Michelle. Obviously, this kind of looks like a double top now, though, doesn't it? So yeah, just watch the 9 and the 20. If it breaks below, we might be going for a bit of a sell-off. Watch the 9 and the 20. Yep. Wina, Paul. Interesting. Anyways, there it goes. There it goes. Oof. These candles are huging. 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 Michelle just wants to break about 30 cents, guys. That's all she wants. She just wants to break about 30 cents. That's all she wants. Huge. There goes a break above 30 cents. La 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 la. Out of space. The candle hasn't closed about 30 cents, but that's a pretty nice pump. Ah, Raven wants his cookie back. Yep. So again, stay above the 9, stay above the 20, and that's fine. Ready, guys? Stay above the 9, stay above the 20, and that's completely okay. MGOL is going down. Well, I mean, like I said before, if you held this thing and it went back up and you held it all the way back down, you need to go stand outside in the on the streets naked with a sign that says, "I'm very greedy. I'm very greedy. I'm very greedy." Right? That thing basically saved you. These two scam candles, you were saved. So Noah, hope did you sell that thing? I hope you did. Hope you did. Hope you did. Yeah, because that thing is getting NSAT now. All the money's leaving M Gold to come to huge. Right? No, don't stand in front of a bus, please. We want you to make the monies back, you know? But just realize that that's very greedy. Very, very greedy. La la la. Today's just a bad day. It's not a bad day. It's clearly not a bad day. You're making decisions that you shouldn't be making because you had high expectations. It's not a bad thing. Can you see all the people cooking on huge and then you're diamond handing some other rubbish and you're saying it's a bad day? It's not a bad day. If you're having a good day, guys, type in yes in the chat. You look at this, right? You didn't sell. I'm going to average down for a week or so and see if it pops like the chart suggests. Yup, 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 yup. Yeah, look at that. Lucas is up $750 in huge. Let's go, Lucas. Let's go. Yup, yup. Can you guys see the can you guys see the and it's a bad day. I'm gonna diamond hand the stock. I'm gonna keep averaging down. Again, sometimes it comes back, but the one time it doesn't, you're done. Right? Yeah. 30 cents is a bit of an obstacle there, as it usually is, right? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No diamond swings. No diamond swings. uh, yeah, there you go. Huge is huge. Well, going back to the highs of the day, guys. And three, and two, and one. New highs of the day for huge. Oh my goodness. I will tell you what I had and make you hungry. Unbelievable. I know what you had: pancakes and bacons and eggs. I know what you had. I know what you had. So 30 cents is a bit of a problem, right, guys? Uh, see, that's the difference between momentum and them. So I don't care if it's a trash stock. If the chart looks nice, you bet you I'm there. If it's a good looking stock, I don't care. I don't care, right? So it's not about the DD. People keep getting stuck on DD, right? DD does not matter. So the DD was it being posted in Discord last night and then pumping this morning. So that's the DD. Yeah. Come join us in Discord doing it. Come join us in Discord. We keep telling you, come join us in Discord. Your membership would have been paid for. Anyways, um, yeah. I know, right, Laura? Hassan, congratulations. Well done. Well done, skis. So again, just be careful. There's resistance at 30 cents. The good thing is we're still holding above the 9 and the 200 and the 20. So we break below those two levels. and then we have a problem. But for now, we're clearly still holding above those moving averages, right? And it wants to go still. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, let's go, Josh. I feel like Josh. One second, one second, one second. Let me respond to that email. Okay, Josh. Thank you very much as usual. Thank you. Uh, uh, okay, copy. S- Perfect. Misha, what did you tag me in? Didi. Uh, the chart wasn't giving up. La la la. Curling. Dropped exact time. I didn't. Yeah, minimal. Exactly, Misha. I like that. I like it. I like it a lot. That's the DD that people should be focused on. You know, when a lot of people say DD, it's completely different. It's like, oh, okay, this company has a catalyst coming up in, but the chart looks terrible though, and I don't have a stop loss. I'm just gonna keep adding, right? So past 45 minutes line, yeah. Yeah, when you zoom out, I'm sure this thing looks beautiful. I mean, it looks beautiful on the 1 minute, so I can only imagine what it looks like on, on a 3 minute or 5 minute, right? So the only problem now is we have a lot of resistance at 30 cents, which should be obvious. Should be very obvious, right? Even though we break above 30 cents, it's not like it's holding 30 cents. So be very careful. If you're jumping in at 30 cents, you like to hold bags. Josh, again, thank you very much. What's your position, Andre, in SGMO? Let me know what your position is. Now take a look. Josh, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. So congratulations if you got a free membership, guys. Congrats. Alrighty, take advantage of it. Take advantage of it. Cool. Yeah. So let me know what your position is, Andre. I'll take a look. There goes a sell-off, right, guys? Surprise? No. 30 cents resistance. Yeah. So let's see if we can either stay above 26, which is the last red candle we had. So 26 was our last candle, or just a psychological level at 25 cents. Alrighty? Exactly, exhausted. So it's a pretty big push. 250% is pretty nice. Right? So let's see if we can stay above that last dip. Ready? Pyro. Let me take SGMO. So for SGMO, you're in at 99. Ooh, love it, Andre. Love it. What's your stop loss at? It looks good. It doesn't have a whole bunch of volume, but it does look good. When I look at the daily, I can clearly see a lot of resistance at $1.10 and $1.20. If that thing breaks above $1.20, ooh, $1.50 is next. So, but you look at that though, it's really been struggling below $1.20. So you need it to break above $1.20. And if it can stay above $1 for a stop, like 99 cents for a stop loss, I think you're fine. So I think you're in a really good position there. Ready? And huge 26 for support kind of. Crazy potential. You're stuck in that potential again, right? It's not about potential, it's about what it's actually doing. Right? Potential does not make you money. Um, Alrighty. Your MGOL hurts. John, can you imagine? John, can you imagine? Close your eyes and imagine. You saw MGOL at resistance when we were yelling, MGOL resistance, double top. Can you imagine? Close your eyes. When that thing was at $6 and you're like, nope, not selling because I won $10. Can you imagine if you sold that thing, John? And then maybe you got back in? Or you took the monies and went over to huge? You'd be having the best Friday ever, right? But no, you had expectations. Hopefully they eventually come to fruition, but those things are dangerous though. Dangerous. 2 more weeks for the cash accounts. That's how long it takes. Can't you switch to a cash account like right away? You should be able to switch right away, right? La, 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 la. There you go. I love the scalps. Yes. I like the scalp. Yes. Yes. Well, I mean, I like when a chart looks good. If that means it's a scalp, then it's a scalp. If that means it's something else, then it's something else. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So Dan is gonna do a giveaway, guys. Dan is gonna do a giveaway. Except Dan is doing a legend giveaway. So then you have access to signals and other stuff, right? So and then the group class this weekend, you have access to all of that. So Dan is doing a giveaway. Dan, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So we're giving away a legend membership already, guys. So I'm just setting it up here, and then we should be good to go. Continue, log in, giveaway. Let's go. So I'm gonna copy the hashtag that Dan sends me, guys, and then I'm gonna post it in the little chatties here. Uh, do the keyword, enter. So Dan, again, thank you very much. The giveaway, the hashtag for the giveaway, guys, is in the chat there. So hashtag big bucks. There goes a huge bouncing again. Let's go, Dan. It really is. It really is. And obviously, virus left himself out of the. It really is blessed with some amazing people, right? Really is blessed with some amazing people. So I really appreciate you guys all. Thank you very much. So hashtag big bucks, guys. So if you're looking for again, ooh, my goodness. My goodness! So another free membership, guys, and then we're still running the giveaway. Big bucks, guys! Big bucks! Let's go, Josh! Let's go! Oh my goodness! And Michelle is making cookies. Sheesh! What can we do, guys? What can we not do? What can we not do? Right? The members are making monies, and they're like, "Hey, come join us! Come join us!" Right? So if you're not a member and you see that, I don't know what to tell you. Don't know what to tell you. Alrighty. Don't know what to tell you again. Hashtag big bucks. We're gonna run that for another 30 seconds and then we should be good to go. Cool, 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 cool. Uh, okay, perfect. Okay, good. Reset. So a few more seconds and then we're gonna do the draw for the giveaway. Sorry, Lucas. Sorry. You were diamond handing, so that was your punishment. So if you made money today, and then then maybe Natalia will be nice. Again, Josh and Dan, thank you very much. I really, really appreciate that. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's do the giveaway, guys. So we can stop spamming now. Again, if you get a free membership, make sure you say thank you, whether that's to Josh or to Dan, right? If you get this legend, Dan, thank you very much. Um, exactly, Josh, exactly. So, again, so we can stop spamming now, and the winner for the giveaway is roll it. It's Gucci, guys. Ooh, Gucci. Let's go. Let's go, it's Gucci. So Gucci got a free membership from Josh yesterday, and then it just got upgraded to a legend from Dan. So Gucci, congratulations on the giveaway. Congratulations on winning. Alrighty, that sounds Gucci, doesn't it? So I will do that right now. Right now, right now. Right now, right now. Okay. Okay. Do. Perfect. Let's go. Travis, can huge go to $2? No, no. Yes, exactly, Dan. Exactly. You can repay us by making $1 million and retiring early. Exactly, Dan. Right? We will teach you how to fish, and then you go fishing, and then make all the monies, and then help other people. Right? So we keep saying like if you're learning and you're making monies and you're not inviting your friends, right? Invite your friends, right? If your friends are following some stock, some other stock tips on Twitter and some other social media sites and losing monies, tell them to learn, right? You didn't get it. Yep. So invite your friends. If you're not a member yet, you didn't get the membership, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots and become a member. Come join us. Your membership will pay for itself. Not kidding. So come join us. There you go. Exactly, right? Take advantage of the free memberships, upgrade, right? Upgrades. Upgrades, and most of the time they don't even charge you because Dan gave you a free membership. Take advantage and upgrade. Alrighty? And then you get all the benefits. So unbelievable. I feel like, subconsciously I knew this was coming. I knew someone was about to roast me. No, no, no. I knew it. Raven, I can't have like a nice beef without Dan like roasting. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, perfect. Let's go, Eric. I made my first $1,000 on a penny stock. Very huge bucks. Let's go. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at that. I made my first $1,000 in a single day. That's not even the price of your membership, Eric. For the entire year. One trade covers your membership for the next 2 years. Look at that. One trade. Woof. Woof, 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 woof. Right? Does your membership pay for itself? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. I mean, Travis, you might as well put it at $100. Might as well. Why stop at $3 when you can put it at 100? Might as well just go all the way up. Might as well just move it all the way up. I'm kidding, by the way. Why stop there, Travis? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. There you go. La, 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 la. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Let's go, Chris. Welcome to the community. Welcome, welcome, welcome. There's an invite link for you, Chris, under the members only section on YouTube. So click on that invite link and then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Weena and Huge. Wow. We've had some interesting names this week, right? La 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 la. Some interesting names. So, I mean, obviously that 30 cents was a problem. We knew that 30 cents would be a problem and it's struggling from there. So let's see if it can consolidate again at some point and then curl. MGOL is still playing games here. Hopefully for those of you guys diamond hunting, it can perform at some point. And then Lumen looks okay. It's kind of double bottoming, right? So again, look at this chart if you are a GOAT member and tell me if you see it. If you see the entry, type in yes in the chat. A bit of a sus one, the first candle, but Lumen looks very easy, doesn't it? Look at that, from the bottom to the dipskis to the second one. Telling you, the goats. You just keep learning, and you will cook. There goes Lumen. There goes Lumen. There goes Lumen. La 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 la. 60%. Love it. Love it. Virus, that's how it ends. That's how it ends, Virus. When you hit your daily goal, see you. I mean, you can keep going until you take a $50 loss. Alan, you see it? Love it, Alan. Love it. Love it. AZTR is kind of cooking here too, isn't it? AZTR. AZTR. Woof. Damn. The first time I saw the signal, I ignored it, but it's just been going. There goes new highs of the day. Very safe, Virus. Okay, nice. Good. Good, good, good. Yeah, 55% on this one here, AZTR. Again, if you are in Discord, you saw the signal way earlier. I love it, Raven. Love it. Do, 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 do. Love it. Uh, okay, Jill, I see your message. I'll send that to Rob. Send that to Rob. I don't know if it's like so can you send me a message in Discord? I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe try like a computer or try an app or something. Try the web browser version. Um, yeah, yeah. Try the web version. Try like a Google like the web, on the web, or try like the app on your phone or something like that. Alrighty. 56. Huge is still dipping, guys. So again, wait for that curl, right? Maybe we can dip all the way to like the 23 maybe, and then bounce back up. Even though it's looking like 25 might act as a bit of support. Yeah. Is also linked to the other one. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. I can see a DM. I see a DM. You can DM me. Yeah, it worked. Yeah. Yeah, those dividends are nice, Josh. Those dividends are nice. Can you imagine if you compounded those dividends and put it back into the stock for a year? That could be a really sweet position. Could be a really sweet position. I took my dividends out though because I needed the monies. I wanted the monies. I needed the money. So I was like, thanks for the dividends. Thanks. Thanks. Some of it is gonna go for a smoothie this weekend, Josh. Ooh wee. I will be stopping by the smoothie store this weekend. Yes, I will. Yeah. Let's go, Josh. Big monies. Do, 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 do. Big monies. Do, do, do. Really? Oh, look at that. $1,600 as a dividend every month? Woo, 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 woo. Jeff, right back into BITO. Whew. $1,600. Jeff is cooking. $1,600 a month. Jeff has been collecting this dividend for the last 3 months now. Last 4 months. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money as a dividend. Whew. That's sweet. Yep, $1,600. I mean, if you look, yeah, look at that. Josh took $6,000 for a dividend. Whew. Again, this is nothing new, guys. These guys have been spamming this in Discord for the last 3 months now. Right? It's been in every channel. Every channel. We talked about this like when we did that call a month ago. We talked about BITO dividends. We talked about other dividend plays, right? Like, so this is nothing new. Nothing new. And when that thing crashed, when Bitcoin crashed the other day and it went to $16 and you bought that thing, whoo, beautiful entry. Because now you're making money on the price and you're making money on the dividend. And you're just smiling at that point. So this is nothing new. Yeah, Jeff. Yeah, Jeff is going to be living on dividends. Jeff is going to be a dividend millionaire. It's because they do options for Bitcoin. So yep. So that's and then the other one pays 130%, which is crazy. Which is crazy. That one scares me a little bit, but you guys are collecting some nice dividends. Can you imagine taking $6,000 in dividends and it's a 40 something percent dividend, and then there's another one for 130%? Ish. Yup. Big monies, big monies. So again, that's what a community does, guys. That's what a community does. These guys have been sharing and sharing and sharing and sharing and sharing and bringing other people along, right? If Jeff was not a part of this community, he would not be making $1,600 a month in dividends, right? And the list goes on and on and on, right? So again, being a part of the right community, people will take you along, right? People will take you along. So find the right group of people, and you'll be okay. Alrighty. Big monies. Honestly, if Jeff took if Jeff took that monies out of the dividend every month, and then just saved that money, not which is not what he's gonna do. That money would have like paid for the position that he's in, right? And then he's basically holding a free position that's paying dividends. I mean, what more do you want? What more do you want? Well, that's accumulation over the last few months, right? It's not like Jeff all of a sudden just bought it all today, right? Or like just had a stack of so you know, you know. So pretty nice. Pretty nice. I want to retire in 10 years at 60. Let's go, Jeff. Let's go, right? Retiring doesn't mean you have to like work and then retire. Based on you can do things. You can do things when it comes to investing, right? You can do dividends, you can do compound interest things, right? So yup. And again, we talked about this, right? Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing, Dan? Like, isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? Jeff was one of those people, guys. When I tell you that we slapped Jeff and we put Jeff in timeouts, I mean, like we made fun of Jeff so much that Jeff's kids were like, "Damn, Jeff." I mean, we said things to Jeff that Jeff's kids would start saying to him. I mean, we were not nice to Jeff. That's because we're not going to be nice to you because we know you can learn and we know you can improve. Like, go back a year. How long did it take you, Jeff? A year, 2 years? How long have you been a member? Right? Jeff just never gave up. Right? Jeff just never gave up. When I say Jeff struggled, though, he struggled. Jeff was like, "How come I keep losing? Everybody's making money. Why am I the only one losing? Like, what do I need to do? How come I'm the only one losing?" And here's Jeff now. Jeff is making money in penny stocks and dividend plays and this play and that play. On a road trip to Virginia in front of my whole family. I mean, we roasted Jeff in front of his whole family because we needed him to do better. Nelson, welcome to the community. Welcome. Let's go. There goes look at AZTR guys. Oh my days, that thing is cooking. Look at that. Whew, 69%. Where's Pablo? Look at that thing go, AZTR. Let's go. My stuff is still updating here. Just gonna restart it so I can see what Nelson. Nelson, welcome to the community. There's an invite link for you like on the members only section, right? And then and again, so like Rob and I were talking about this on the call yesterday, or we've talked about this so many times, and a lot of you guys are in the same boat, right? Especially for the people that have been doing it for a long, long time, right? Like when we started, there wasn't a place that we could go to and say, "Hey Dan, like, can you help me out, please? Hey Josh, can you help me out? Hey Virus, what are you doing with this position? Like, can you help me out? Like, what are you doing?" Right? There wasn't a place like that. Every place that I went to, I was either scammed because it was a pump and dump, right? Or there just was never any education. You know what I mean? The only community I've ever been a part of, the cheapest I ever paid was $130 a month. And I learned absolutely rubbish, made no monies, right? So when people complain about like stuff, I'm like, you know what? Anyways, so yep, halted up AZTR guys. Again, this play has been posted, it's been spammed in Discord by the bot for quite a bit now. So AZTR is cooking. There you go, Larry. So you have a community, you have the ideas, you have the right tools, you have the right education, you have the right people. What's there to not? La 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 la. Completely reversed your account, Josh. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So Nelson, yeah. So make sure you go to the members only section on YouTube. There's an invite link there. If you can't find it, send me an email. hottradesx@gmail. Yeah. Yep. 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 Teamwork. 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 Noah. I mean, with that mindset doing it, you're never gonna succeed, right? Some people will see other people succeeding. They're like, "Yeah, no, I cannot do it. I cannot do it. These people are different." In my opinion, if Jeff can do it, anybody can do it. The reason I say that is because Jeff is working all day, standing on a stupid ladder, and still making monies. Yes, Noah, you have to become a member on YouTube. So again, Discord community legend or goats, and then you get the link. So there you go. Again, Jeff started doing BITO 3 months ago, right? So it's not like Jeff found this out when he was 5 years old. So if you're one of those people that like, whenever you see good things, you immediately look at the negatives and say, yeah, no, I can't do that. Then you just can't. There's just no success for you, right? Um, yeah. Exactly, Josh. Slow and steady wins the race every time. Exactly, Pyro. Exactly. So if you see someone winning, ask yourself like, hey, how can I do what they're doing? Like, can they help me out? You know, that's why I keep saying like, if you're a member in Discord, you cannot be quiet, right? And also, like, ask for help, right? If you see someone succeeding, like, say, hey Jeff, like, what did you do? Ask in the right channels, right? Don't DM people, please and thank you, because some people don't like DMs. But if you tag someone in Stock General and say, hey, like, what did you do? Can I do that? Yeah. So Rob said he did it already, Jill. Uh, yeah, Rob said he did it earlier, Jill. So yeah, yeah, exactly. Don't be afraid of the roasting. Don't be afraid that someone's gonna roast you, right? Ask questions in the right channels. Is greed not greed? Exactly, Eric. So, yeah. I know, like DMs, Michelle. Yeah, some people don't like DMs, guys. But Michelle is one of those people that if you tag her in the right channel, she's gonna help you out, right? Yeah. Sometimes if you send me DMs, like it takes me a long time to respond, you know. But if you tag me in the right channel, I'm gonna respond right away. So yeah, there goes a nice little bounce there off the uptrend there. So 24-ish is kind of holding. I was hoping it would go to 23, but it's bouncing. BURU has been awarded an $850,000 NASA, whatever contract that is. BURU. Really? They gave it to those guys? Marine always comes back to life for some reason. Look at this stock, guys. Look at that. Is anybody still holding Marine, still playing with Marine? That thing just doesn't know when to die. Lumen still looks good already. Lumen looks really good still. It's going back for the highs. MGOL has been absolute garbage, but I'm sure that thing's going to come back again. AZTR is unhalted, guys, and it's cooking. I mean, like, what isn't cooking today? The entire community is just cooking today, guys. Just cooking, just cooking. Everybody just cooking, just cooking. I haven't looked at BURU yet. That's a really nice push. And should you be taking profits close to $1? Maybe you should. Jill, is your thing good to go? Yeah, Rob did that already. Yeah, right. AZTR has been talked about. It's doing well. Marine has been talked about. It's doing well. Huge was doing well. Right. Lumen is doing well. Everything is doing well. uh, maybe yeah. So maybe log out and log back in, Jill. Not in Discord, but your TradingView stuff if you don't have the algo. But it was done already. Already. Let's go, TK. There goes Marine again off the same resistance. My goodness, $2.60, another sell, and then another dip. Look at that, over and over and over again. So, yep. AZTR looks like it wants to break above $1, but there's a lot of resistance up there though. So I'd be careful with that stuff. Perfect. Perfect. What time is it, guys? Okay. We have time. We have time. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. DSGN. Don't forget to smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty. And take the time over the weekend to go through some of the educational stuff, please and thank you. Take the weekend to ask questions and to watch videos and yeah. La, 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 la. Educate themselves and continually made the same mistakes. Exactly, Josh. Exactly. Right. So if you can be humble and you're like, you know what, I'm messing up, but I think I'm gonna, get the right help and whatnot, you're gonna do well. So, Michael, are you still in the chat? I know I think I responded to your email. Responded to your email. Uh, yeah, that works a lot nicer actually, Dan. Like the friends and family. So much nicer, Dan. Thank you. I mean, so you never want to be in a position set where you're thinking that it does that. You want to let it break above that and confirm that it's doing it, and then go from there. Did you get banned? I mean, you're typing messages, so you're not banned. You are not banned, right? So you're typing messages. What I'm looking for here is so I want to see if that thing can stay above 23. So 23.50. So like right around this price here, right? For huge. So right around that price there. So let's see if we can consolidate around that. But you don't want to be in a position where you're asking like, hey, do you think the stock is going to go back up? To 30 cents. If it does, then that's amazing, and if it doesn't, then that's okay too. But if you're looking, so you never want to make a decision based on things that are out of your control. Is all I'm trying to get to. Uh, Set. Okay, there you go. So you're green in that position then, right? So yeah, for huge guys, last time we came to this level, it popped. So you're kind of hoping that it does the same thing. If that level doesn't hold 23.50, then we're looking for the 200 EMA. But for now though, let's see if we can stay above this level. So technically, we could almost call this a double bottom, kind of, not really, but kind of. But yeah, so let's see if we can stay above that. Alrighty. It is Friday too, right? People tend to take their profits before lunch and then go away for the weekend, right? Uh, I was deceived coming into stocks. You're deceived by who doing it? Deceived by who? Who deceived you? And we've tried to like shut down your rubbish, pre like your rubbish expectations, right? Like if you are watching this channel today and you just listened, right? Again, I told you about MGOL. You want it a lot higher. I told you resistance, right? But yeah, like people will deceive you in the markets, whether that's the companies themselves, people on social media, like So you really have to be very careful. To be very careful. Alrighty. Uh, yeah, no, you pointed out an irrelevant fact. Yeah, yeah, he reminds me of you, doesn't he, Jeff? Yeah, Jeff was like that. Jeff for sure was like that. So again, there goes another retest of that 23.50, guys, and another bounce. So huge. Let's see if we can stay above it. Yeah. uh, Anyways, let's see if we can stay above. I'm giving chances, yo. Yeah. Come on, stay above. Stay above, huge. Stay above. Stay above. Yeah. Yeah, let's move on, huge. Doing move on, move on. Move on. Let's talk about something else. Come on, consolidate and curl. And then ACT obviously failed at $1, right? Obviously failed at $1. Lumen looks nice. Lumen looks very nice, guys. If you're holding Lumen, type in yes in the chat. Jameson, how green are those calls, Jameson? How green are those calls? Lumen looks beautiful, right? So the low for today on Lumen was $5, right? $5 was a pretty sweet level. So yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Beautiful. Driven. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, that was a really good run from the bottom. Really good run. Multiple scalps. Uh, no. Doing? No, that's not true. You don't have to be rich. Um, Abdu, congratulations. Done for the day. $1,500. Congratulations. Well done. No, you don't have to be rich. Ready? Yeah. Yeah. Let's go, Pablo. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Uh, is $1. How's my Lumen at how yours is $1? How's Lumen at $1 for you, Noir? Whatever broker you're on, leave immediately. La, 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 la. Yeah, there you go. 580. And then huge, guys. Huge is still holding the same level, right? So again, if you look to the left-hand side, that's the same level it held at earlier. But that thing really needs to get back above the 9. Yeah. Yep. So we're getting a baby green candle there. Baby green candle. Baby green candle. Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, let's see. There goes, guys. There it goes. There goes a nice little bounce, right? So again, off a double bottom of support. Not sure how much momentum that thing has though. From not sure how much momentum that thing has. Uh, Not sure how much momentum that thing has, but tiny, a little bit of a bounce, right? But did anybody buy the dip skis on this one, guys? Anybody buy the dip? Ooh, 26. Ooh, that thing is cooking now. Ooh, look at that beautiful looking charts, guys. It's coming up to resistance, though. That's the only problem now, right? It's coming up to resistance here. Coming up to resistance now. So you grab the dip. Let's go. So yeah, resistance at 2640-ish. Um, that's where you bought it at 26. Okay, well, at least you're back to green now. At least you're back to green. So you see these little levels on the left hand side there. There's a bit of a problem, right? So we initially had support at this range. So if I take this line, guys, and I go up, you notice how this level was support on the left hand side, like right there, but then it became resistance. It needs to break above that level and stay above that level. Ready? But that was a beautiful bottom if you bought it. There goes 27 cents. Ooh wee. Ooh wee 27. So if you bought the dipskis, congratulations, right? So I mean, we were hoping that it would stay above that level for double bottoms. I was too scared you missed it. Yeah, dang it. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, it can be scary. That's okay. Next one. Next one. La 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 la. La 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 la. Keep going. There goes 20. Ooh, 27 just got broken, guys. Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee, huge. So you're green in that position for now. You're green on that position for now. Double bottom on MGOL, 467. Kind of, yeah. Kind of. My only concern with this one, it's like it's been giving us lower highs for a long time. So this one is a lot weaker than a name like Huge, right? But yeah. So as long as it stays above, if it stays above 463, then that's fine. If it breaks below that level, bridge, bridge. Let's go 27, 28, 27, 40, 27, 50. Ooh, 27, 60. So, ooh, give us more, please. 27, 70. Can we get 28? Again, if you bought the dip skis and you're scalping, always think about paying yourself on the way up, right? Always think about paying yourself on the way up. There goes 28.40, guys. Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. Look at that pop. Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. Straight off the bottoms to the tops. That was a sweet bottom. Especially again, so so this is how we look at support, right? If I zoom out, right? If I zoom out, I'm not, and I'm like, oh, okay, I think there's support at this price. It doesn't mean I buy at that price. Keep that in mind, right? Just because I see support at this price and I see support on the left hand side, it doesn't mean I buy at this price. What I do like though is when I get to a level and I see that, okay, the first candle is holding, oh, the second candle is holding, oh, the third candle is holding, I'm like, oh, maybe I'm onto something here, right? So that's how you look at support. You don't just buy stocks because they're like, oh, it's at support. My stream just reset. Did you guys see the glitch? My damn thing is resetting here. I think it should be good to go now. They're like, hey, you guys are making money. Please leave. Leave. Should be good now. Yeah. Yeah. You thought it was your stalling? No, that was me. That was me. Did a quick reset. I am back, and when you see something stalling like this, guys, really consider taking profits. Right? Whenever you're watching a momentum name and it goes up, and then it's stalling, always consider the gains, right? Uh, yeah. Quick profits, Giovanni. There you go. I thought Canada. Oh, did Dan put you up to this rubbish? No, Canada usually doesn't have these issues, you know. Yeah, I think it. Yeah, Friday. I think. Yeah. Yep. 2750. There you go. Right. There you go. So whenever you see a momentum name stalling a little bit, you want to consider taking those gains. Alrighty, and there goes your dip skis. There goes your dip skis. To me, it's very rare that a stock crashes without giving you a warning sign. Very rare, very rare that a stock just goes up and then goes down without giving you a warning sign. There's always a warning sign. You just choose to ignore the warning sign. There's always a sign, right? Always, for the most part. Let's Doja is cooking today, guys. Just cooking. The boy is coming back, coming back. Let's go. Love it. $70 here and there, that adds up. What do you add for the day now, Doche? What do you add for the day now? Let's go, Raven. Big monies. Lumen is still kind of sitting there. AZT obviously failed at the dollar. MGOL is still holding the bottom of the range, so maybe it's going to end up bouncing up that bottom level. Marine just has a hard time at 260. You have to sell that thing every time at 260, almost every time, right? And then huge is let's see if we can stay above, right? What do you have for the day? You most likely met your daily goal, most likely. Oh, okay. That's gonna annoy my Discord. There you go. Uh, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Dude is like, don't worry. I hit it. CM, have a wonderful weekend. Goal achieved, and it's Friday, so early day. Love it. Hey, Raven, thanks for the play today, and have a wonderful weekend, everybody. Let's go. CM, have a wonderful weekend as well. Be safe. And I love when someone hits the goal and they're like, you know what? I'm done for the day, guys. Monday's another day. Let me come back and hit the goal again. Again, consistency is the magic word, right? Consistency. Hit the goal, right? And then then if you take anything else, it better be a perfect play. It's a Friday though. At some point, these things are all gonna start falling like to the abyss. But Raven, high five. I told you guys, right? I told you guys from the very beginning. Don't want to say I told you guys. I told you guys from the very beginning that when Raven joined this court, anyways, let's go to Raven. Told you guys when Raven joined this court, Raven was a bit skeptical, you know. Yeah, we had to get Raven in Discord because Raven is a sniper, and Raven has been trading for a long time. So we have to secure all the gems like Raven. Come to Discord, Raven. Come, 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 come. And Raven is out there printing monies. Everyone is always skeptical at first, Josh. Yeah. Then they're like, you know what, you know what, you know what? Fine, I'll join you guys. And then all of a sudden they're cooking. Uh, and well, let's go, Doji. I like it. Speak of having too much sugar and whatnot, Weight Watchers is going up too. Weight Watchers International. This one's actually done okay today. Oof. Oh my days. Honestly, every time I have a gold session, right? Every time I have a gold session, again, if you're a gold member, let me know if you see the entries on this. If you are a goat member, let me know if you see the entries. Just type in yes if you see it. Don't be shy. Even if you're not in it, just type in yes. If you're a gold member, just type in easy monies. Easy monies. How many stocks have we looked at today, and how many times have I said this today? Just type in yes if you see it. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Just type in yes. I know some of you guys are gonna be like, but I didn't play it. Doesn't matter, right? All I'm saying is teach someone how to fish, and they will fish for a lifetime, right? So sometimes when I have these gold sessions and then I look at these stocks, I'm like, yep, easy monies, easy monies, easy monies. So yep, if you're not a gold member and you're struggling with entries and you're not asking for help, eat for a lifetime, Michelle. So if you're struggling with entries, become a goat. Alrighty, and get some help. MGOL looks like they're about to slap that thing to the abyss. Anyways, back to huge, huge. Off the hook. They will never bother you again, Jeff. Let's go. Honestly, all our goal is to is is again to teach and teach and teach and teach. There goes 29 cents, guys. Oh, my day is huge. What a beautiful bottom, guys. What a beautiful bottom and huge. Right? Our goal is to teach and teach and teach. So the people that are learning are helping other people, right? If you're learning and you're not helping anybody else, then you know, that's no fun. Woo wee. Ooh, wee, guys, look at this. Look at huge. Ooh, wee. Oh, my days. Did we catch the bottom on this? Or did we catch the bottom? Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. Beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So let's see if we can actually break about 30 cents this time, though. My Discord is acting up today. My Discord is acting up. Let's go. Get above 30 cents again, please. Just break the double top and send it. Just break it and send it. Uh, there you go. Break 30 cents and send it. Ooh, that thing said yes, sir. 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 Huge. Huge issue. Huging, guys. We are huging. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 32 cents, guys. 250%. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh, wee. My goodness. Is that a huge run? Huge has been huging. Huge is huging, guys. Huge is huging. Uh, okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Back up and running. Yeah. There goes 32.50. And what? Very, very huge. Very huge, guys. Very huge. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. There you go. Again, if you're still in this stock, type in yes in the chat. Lion? Why? What happened? What happened, Lion? What happened? That was a good breakout. Actually, when I look at this stock, I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding, guys. When I say when I look at this stock, if you are a GOAT member, I see the easiest of entry on this stock. I'm not even kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding, guys. I see an easy entry on this stock. Multiple, right? Again, the part that's confusing for a lot of people is right. The part that's confusing for some people is like you wait for the breakout, but there's other opportunities, right? There's other opportunities. This is easy monies on this one here. Easy monies. Easy monies on this one. So Lucas, how green are you now? Like how green are you? How green are you now, Lucas? How green? You're up $750 in the 20s. So now that's in the 30s. How green are you? $1,000? Okay. Do you have a stop loss anywhere? Because that's more than your daily goal, mister. Do you have a stop loss at $900, $800, 950, 700s. Hassan, yes. We will thrust today because we should be thrusting. Well done. Are you kidding me? First day I haven't. That was a beautiful bottom. La, 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 la. Okay, there we go. Back to 33 cents. 265%. Yeah. Send it. Yeah. You want to be careful when we get to lunchtime. Maybe people take their monies. Yeah. Hassan. Yeah, I need to go find the playlist. Do, do, do. Exactly, Josh. Do, 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 do. There we go. Do, 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 do. So we're failing now. Let me zoom out because I don't think we've really zoomed out today on this stock. I just want to look at the daily and see if we've missed anything on the daily. I mean, we could look at this level like closer to 35, which to most people like 35 anyways is a psychological level, right? Like right around that price, and then you have a double top right there on the daily at 38 cents, right? Again, these are just regular levels though, right? But yeah, we can pay attention to those levels if we ever get there. Alrighty. So if we get there, if we ever get there. So now you almost want to, I don't know if you want a retest of 30 cents or retest of 28.50. So we'll see. John, I cannot. La 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 la. Yeah, you guys slack on the likes, guys. That's okay. We're gonna hop off in like 10 minutes, guys, so I can go do some other things. Um, and we can still keep watching Huge in Discord, right? So yeah, 62 cents. What's So you didn't sell this thing when it went to $1, did you? Well, for now, it needs to stay about 68 cents. Alrighty. Okay, back to Huge. Huge is back to 33 cents, guys. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Uh, okay, perfect. There we go, new highs. There we go, huge. The thing is, here comes that 35 cents we just talked about, right? So let's see if we can break above that and then go from there. uh, so 35 cents, 35 cents. I mean, so Lucas, if you're in a position and that's okay, then we could just stay in here until you close that position. That's fine too. Legend lifetime. So I'm thinking like end of the year is what I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm thinking end of the year. Right? We usually like increase like there goes the breakout. So we usually increase like our memberships like every like the end of every year we usually do it. So yeah. Anyways, there goes 36 cents. Yeah. So Pyro, do it. Yeah, get those lifetime memberships, guys. Get those lifetime memberships, and you're good to go. Don't have to worry about anything else. Ooh, 36. Here comes 300%, guys. 300%. We're gonna knight Raven in the Hot Rates Hall of Fame along with the other legends, with the other goats. 300%, guys. Raven into the Hot Rates Hall of Fame. Whew, my goodness. And he's smiling. Lucas is just printing those monies today. Uh, Raven, sometimes the best thing you can do is not always like it's not like benefiting from something, but like helping other people. You know what I mean? That's more fulfilling than you actually you know yeah. So that's amazing. Do, 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 do. There we go. Let's go, Doje. Whoo, the man is feeling confident, confident, confident. What's your favorite strategy this morning, Doje? What's your favorite strategy? Like, what do you keep going back to? La, 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 la. Let's go. So we have a bit of a supply zone up there, it seems, right? So whenever we get to these supply zones, we tend to struggle a little bit, right? Yeah. So there goes a red zone hit, and then a sell off. Yeah. Consistency. There you go, Doche. There you go. Love it. Right? Love it. Yes, if you stayed in this trade all day, you would have made monies continuous. Like the monies would be potentially more, but like that's not it though. Whenever someone's asking me like, "Hey, Blaze, how do you know when to stay in the stock like all day?" I'm like, "That's not the point." That's not the goal. That's not the goal, right? Because what happens is somebody will see a stock that goes from 100% to 500%, and they're like, why didn't I stay in this stock all day? Well, that happens once a month. And the other stocks go up 10%, 20%, 50%, and then straight to the abyss. What about those stocks? How come you don't hold those ones all day, right? It's not about staying in there all day. It's about finding a strategy and crushing it over and cooking over and over and over. Eat breakfast, eat lunch, eat dinner. Eat breakfast, eat lunch, eat dinner. Just keep eating, right? It's not about staying in a stock all day. It's about having a strategy and going in and out and going in and going out, right? So, and then you're good to go. Good to go, right? Again, don't let your strategy should not be based on like what one stock does a month, right? Like, what about the other like million stocks we're playing with that go to the abyss? Why do you focus on the one stock that's pumping all day, right? So, because you're not going to catch that every single day. Eric, real time short interest, the one that's in Discord. There's a thing in Discord that gives you real time short interest. Let's go, Rocky Roads. Look at that. Rocky Roads became a member yesterday, by the way, right? Became a member yesterday, and that membership is paid for already. So I don't know what to say, right? Rocky Roads, congratulations. Is that your first trade in Discord, and you already made you already made 100%? Already paid for my membership. Exactly. One trade paid for your membership. You're in there for free now. So congratulations. Keep cooking, right? Keep cooking. So yeah, all it takes is a little bit of confidence and some faith in yourself and the willingness to learn, and you become a member, and then you cook, right? Sometimes you have to jump. You have to take that leap of faith, right? Yep. Exactly, Dan. Exactly. Sometimes it just takes a leap of faith. It's not gonna be me. It's not gonna be me helping you. It's gonna be a Raven helping you, a Virus helping you, a Dan helping you, a Josh helping you, a Jeff helping you, right? So like, anyways, this is a good way to end the week, though, isn't it? Making monies. Hamas security official killed in Israeli strike in Lebanon. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. Not Lucas for sure. Even Lucas, Lucas. I'm telling you, make sure you're taking some gains on the way up, right? Sell half the position, maybe, right? Set a stop loss on the other half, Lucas, right? But at least I know for sure that you're gonna walk away with something, right? Make sure you have a plan, please, 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 please. Have a good rest of the day as well, Giovanni. Yeah, exactly, William. Right? The list of people helping you in Discord are absolutely endless. Virus. Yeah. There's nothing good about war, not a single thing good about war. Not one. Uh, yeah, Hassan. Yes, I agree. I approve that message. Yeah, don't give it back to the markets. Exactly. Right. So, Lucas, especially you, make sure you have a plan, please. Make sure you have a plan. Uh, well done. Love it. Yeah. Anyways, do. Let's go. So there goes the sell off, guys. Right. So we hit a supply zone up there, and there's some profit taking going on. So maybe a retest of 30 cents, and then let's see what happens. I don't think we can count this thing out anytime soon, just because it's gonna pump, it's gonna dip, and then it's gonna keep going up for the most part until it doesn't. Right. So, yep, huge, huge. Right. So sell offs are allowed to happen. Yeah, so much chaos. Yeah. Very, very sad, Very, very sad. Very, very sad. I was listening to like a little podcast this morning, and Elon. It was an old one, and then Elon said something like, anyways, Elon was like, war. He doesn't like war because you have young people that don't know each other fighting against each, killing each other. For old men that know each other, sitting in some room somewhere. There's a lot more detail to it, but yeah, exactly, Raven. Okay, sounds good, Jeff. I'll take a look, especially maybe over the weekend, right? If crazy things happen, yeah. Last weekend. Crazy things kind of happen, and then on Monday it was blood on the streets. So, and Indo actually did okay. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Doing sometimes when you say things, I yeah. Anyways, seriously, Josh. Yep. Yep. Yeah. So let's see if we can stay about 30 cents here, and then go from there. La, 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 la. And honestly, sometimes you guys, when you see someone's opinion, like on social media, right, and that doesn't align with like your opinion, sometimes the best thing you can do is ignore that opinion. Just saying, instead of fighting them, because some people will never change. Even if your opinion is correct, everybody is allowed to have their opinion, and sometimes like genuine people will listen to your opinion and maybe change their opinion as well. Sometimes like I'm like, you know what, I believe in this and this and this, and then I hear someone else and I'm like, interesting, okay, I see. But not everybody's like that. Not everybody's like that, right? So sometimes when you see someone's opinion and it doesn't align with yours, don't go fighting them, because they're not going to listen to you and you're going to be pissed, and it's not going to help anybody, right? So again, I was listening because I like to listen to podcasts and stuff when I'm doing stuff, when I'm walking, when I'm brushing my teeth. I always go to bed listening to a podcast and then I fall asleep. Then I wake up in the middle of the night and then I restart it. And there's this really cool quote that says like, if you're stressed or like you're pissed at someone, being pissed at someone or like being mad about something is like holding like a rock that's hot and you're expecting it to burn somebody else. It's only burning you, right? It's all about you. uh, yeah. Nitro juice, let's go. Easy monies. Easy monies. I just listen to like random podcasts. There's not a specific one official. No, 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 no. Yeah, exactly, Josh. Best to use limit or market orders. It depends, Chris. If the stock has a lot of volume, market orders are fine. If it has a low volume and a bigger spread, limit orders are a must. Exactly, CM. Exactly. But most ignore the question that matters. And la 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 la, la inform like Raven and I like it. I like it, Doja. I like it. Take your time and learn. At least you can see the light at the end of the tunnel, right? That's all that matters. Again, win more, take small losses. You will have days where you take losses. Everybody has those days where they take losses. You just have to minimize that loss. right? And focus on your strategy, right? Rely on your strategy, and you'll be fine, right? If my goal is to make $100 a day, right? And today I make my $100 day, or I make $200. Tomorrow, if I lose $100, I'm like, yeah, you know what? Let's call it a day. Maybe today's just not the day, right? Let's just call it a day today, right? Or if my goal is to make $100, when I go into a trade, maybe my stop loss is $50, right? Again, you don't want to be in a position where you're making good gains and taking bad losses, because then that just brings you back to neutral and destroys your mindset. Alrighty, there goes another pop. So as long as 30 cents is holding, it's a-okay. I promise you, Travis, it's not about the amount of money you start with. It is not about the amount of money you start with. Promise. It's not. If you start with 100, and you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna end up at zero. It's not about the amount of money you start with. It's about the process. It's all about the process. All about the process. So here comes 35 cents again, guys. So good consolidation, good curl, and then boom skis back to the supply zone. Thank you very much, Guardian. Have a wonderful weekend as well. Much love. See you in Discord. Yeah. There goes 35. Oof, what a beautiful stock, guys. What an absolute beauty. La, 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 la. There you go. There goes another fill at 35 cents for now. So there you go. Uh, there you go. So 35 cents is a problem, right? But we know it's a problem. Uh, okay, perfect. VHAI with a nice little pop. Weight Watchers is still going, guys. Why is Weight Watchers pumping? It's the weights. The weights. People want to lose weights, guys. People want to lose weights over the weekend. 45%. Yeah, this one's been slowly cooking, right? Again, this one has been posted in Discord though. Have a blessed weekend as well, Pyro. Enjoy. See you in Discord. Na 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 na. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. No, there's a lot of people. Like, if we wanted to name a list of people that to say are amazing in Discord, the list is endless. There are a whole bunch of amazing, like, genuine people in Discord, and that's what the community is all about, right? That's what makes the community, you know, like having people like that. So love it, love it. I don't know. People have been sending me a lot of screenshots of gains today, and a lot of them are gold members, and I'm like, yeah, give me a damn high five. That's what you get. Um, love it, love it. Okay. TK, it's just you. It's just you. I heard it the other day when I was going to the gym. Yesterday, actually. I was driving to the gym, and you guys know the Spotify, like the Spotify DJ. It's like an AI DJ, so it plays a whole bunch of random songs, right? So then the DJ goes like, "Oh, I want to play," and it tells you what it's gonna play, right? It's like, "I want to play one of your favorite songs from 2023," and I'm like, "Ooh, what could this be?" Oh, it's the thrust beats. Oh, I was thrusting in the car like an idiot driving to the gym. I'm like, of course, that's my favorite song. Yep, 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 yep. Yeah, amazing, amazing. So a little bit of profit taking going on here, guys. I do have some one-on-ones to run to though, so let's do 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna go do some other things. Let's see if we could hold this previous breakout here at 2850 now, and then go from there. So 2850 is your next little level to watch. Alrighty, and then we will go back to Discord. Again, if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Alrighty, click the link at the bottom from Nightbot. Come join us. Hit that subscribe if you're new. Smash a like if you haven't already. The good thing about MGOL is when you look at MGOL, you can see the level, right? You can see the level. Like it's 465 ish. Yeah, we're gonna thrust before we leave though. So again, you look at this chart and you're like, "Ooh, where's support? Where's the bottom? Where's the bottom? Where's the bottom?" Boom, skis, right? So, and then $5 at the 200 will be a bit of an obstacle, but not bad, not bad at all. Let me go find the thrust beats, guys. We're gonna do that, and then we're gonna hop off. So that will be our final act for the day. Final act for the day will be the thrust beats. Okay. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we can. Any last questions? No last questions. Maybe let me know. Again, we're gonna be in Discord and we're gonna keep watching all these names. Virus. So again, if you do become a member, there's a link for you to join Discord and or click the. You can send me an email. Alrighty. Before everybody leaves, let's do the last song, guys. Let's go, guys. It's Friday, and you guys know how we what we do on Fridays, right? Go, 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 go. Let the beat drop. Come on, and what? And thrust to the window, to the wall. When Lambo to the sun at night, and what? And thrust. Go, 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 go. To the left, to the right, and what? Come on, and thrust. And what? And thrust. I apologize if you're a new member to the community. Just put your hands up in the sky, please, and give me the fist bumps. If you're new to the community, give me the fist bumps, please. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. If you're an OG member, which most of you guys are, you know what to do. Get on the floor, please. One hand on the ground, the other hand behind your head, and what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Come on, guys. It doesn't matter where you are. You could be at the grocery store, at the dentist's office, and what? And thrust. To the left, to the right, screw, screw, to the window, when Lambo, to the sun, at night. Go, go. Let the sweat drop, drip, drop, drip, drop. Come on, get naked, make monies, win Lambos. Come on, get naked, win Lambo. Come on, go. Let's go. Okay, let's pretend that didn't just happen, you know? Let's pretend like we're okay, there we go. Let's pretend that never happened, guys. And what? And thrust. Thank you all very much. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. Much love. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. We will be in Discord looking for more plays, of course, because the market isn't closed yet. But I'm just gonna go do some one-on-ones. Um, we have a new member. Look at that. The thrust beats will make you become a member, guys. Whoo! Except you sign Nikesha, you signed up for the wrong level. So you're gonna have to go back and upgrade. You're gonna have to go back and upgrade, and then you get the link. So go back and upgrade to a level that says Discord Community Legend or Goat. The sold out levels don't give you anything already. So once you do upgrade though, Nikesha, there's gonna be a link under the members only section. It only shows up for the people that sign up for the right level. Or send me an email at the top, hotratesx@gmail. So yeah, just go back and upgrade. And again, much love all. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you all very much for the support. Let's keep, helping each other make monies and grow together so we can retire in DR with Pablo, on a separate island though. So alrighty guys. Again, much love. Have a wonderful weekend. And let us cook, please. Wait, Eli's Jeff, that's funny. Uh, the chicken added the chicken broccoli. Oh my goodness. PJ, yeah. So again, send me an email if you don't have the link, but there's a link right there, and then all you have to do is go to the Getting Started channel, and then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. There's also a video. The second last video walks you through how to connect in Discord. Alrighty, again, become a member on the weekend so you can spend time in the education channel. Cool. Much love all. Bye guys. Let's go, Dan. Much love. Stay short, my friend. No, no, no. I refuse. I refuse because I'm already tall. Jeff is not happy, guys. You need to know Jeff loves to eat. Just new to the in general. Okay, yeah. So there's a video in the Getting Started channel that walks you through all of that stuff. And so make sure you have it set up today over the weekend, and then come join us. Alrighty. There she is. Come on, Nikisha. Come on, Nikisha. I'm sure I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Blame virus. Just blame virus. Okay. And then all is well with so yeah, there should be a link for you now under the members only section. Just click the link and then follow the steps in the Getting Started. Again, if you can't find the link, just send me an email at the top, hotratesx@gmail. Let's go, the fifth super on a live stream. Let's go, William. Let's go. Thank you very much for the super sticker. I really appreciate that, William. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The fifth super, 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 super sticker ever on a live stream. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, it looks like huge is so we are maintaining a bit of an uptrend there with the algo. So let's see if it stays above. Alrighty. And again, so MGOL is still playing with the 200 at 5, and then Lumen could not break out. So it looks like a double top. So Raven is most likely happy with some puts. Maybe Raven is taking some profit still of 550. But yeah. Alrighty. Are we done? We good to go? Alrighty, y'all. Much love. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, all.